Let me show you how to write the best cover letter in just 3 minutes using ChatGPT. Download this free cover letter template via the link in the description so we can dive right into the most important part, the first paragraph. Grab the reader's attention. Now, the best way to grab the reader's attention, and this almost guarantees a job interview, is to mention a referral. Now, don't click away. I understand it's nearly impossible to get a referral for each individual company you are applying for. So let's check out the second best possibility. Attend one or more events. Again, it's not easy, but if you manage to, it will show that you made a careful and deliberate choice. Jeff Zhu showed a somewhat similar and successful example in his widely viewed cover letter video. Now, let's see the third best option. Be creative. Focus on, for example, an ad campaign that deeply moved you, something the reader might relate to. I crafted this opening statement after being inspired by a cover letter example from a YouTube channel called Artificially Intelligent. So give yourself a couple of minutes to come up with something creative. Now, the fourth and final option is to name drop someone. Now, it doesn't mean you have to know the person. It can be someone you came across on LinkedIn, saw their name in a job post, or a company website's about page. Okay? Now, keep it short. 2-3 sentences is perfect. Okay, the second paragraph. Spark the recruiter's interest. There are 2 ways you can do so. And the first one is by making a promise to deliver results. It's super effective, but difficult to pull off. So let's check out the easier option. Start with either I am particularly drawn to company XYZ because of, or company XYZ stands out to me because, followed by your motivation. Now, to come up with motivation, you probably need some inspiration first. Go to ChatGPT and ask to list 20 reasons why someone would apply for a particular company. Pick one other than compensation, salary, and benefits that is closest to your motivation. So let's say you're all in it for the learning opportunities. And what you can do next is enter this sentence so ChatGPT understands its role, and then give it a task so it's going to write a paragraph that sparks interest. Now, pause the video if you need time to process what I'm doing here. All right, I've listed this prompt in the comments section, so you can also easily copy and paste it in here instead of entering everything manually. As for motivation, enter learning opportunities. Then select the relevant part of the job description you want to copy. Now, this could also be a blog post, product description, or a recent news article you are interested in. And then you paste it in between these brackets. Now, let's see what ChatGPT comes up with. A perfect example with relevant keywords included. Now, draw inspiration from it and write a paragraph that is somewhat similar to this example. Now, pick keywords that you know the company is heavily invested in, that fit the company culture, or is relevant to the job role. Okay, next up is the third paragraph. Match your profile to the job description. Now, this is a perfect example for those with little to no experience, because you show that you've introduced yourself to some requirements listed in the job description, and you now need the right opportunity to leverage your existing learnings in a professional setting. Now, this example is useful for those with some work experience. So you provide context to your experience, followed by your most relevant, preferably quantifiable achievement. Watch my previous resume video if you don't know how to do so. Additionally, explain that you are eager to use your expertise in this new role and want to gain new insights to grow professionally, because that relates to our previously mentioned incentive or motivation to apply. Now, the last paragraph is a call to action. Express or insinuate your willingness to further discuss your application, followed by your contact information and a thank you sentence. It's that simple. And once done, scan your cover letter on errors and replace complex language with simpler words. So, for example, instead of alleviate, you could enter reduce, or instead of robust, enter strong. Finally, name your document like this, starting with your first and last name, followed by cover letter. Then go to File and download it as either a Word or PDF file. Both formats are fine. Now, some job applications may require you to manually send your application documents via email. And if so, add this line to the subject. Attach your resume and use the cover letter as the body text for your email, at least if you manage to craft an eye-catching first or second paragraph. Think of a referral or something else that hooks the reader. And if that's not possible, use this short message. And don't forget to attach your cover letter as well. And that's all you need to know to write the best cover letter in just 3 minutes. Now, in the comment section down below, I've listed my answers to frequently asked questions such as, what should I do if I don't know the hiring manager's name? What job title should I put at the top of my cover letter? Or how should I write a cover letter for a career change? Check them out. Follow me on LinkedIn. Thanks for watching, and I wish you all the best. Bye.